In this video, we will fix error unable to access a Google product. So let's begin. So to solve the error, what you have to do is just go and open your banned account, the account that from which you are unable to access your Google products. For that, just go and open your incognito window, and here just go to your gmail.com so we can log in with our banned account. So here we have the login page. Just go and enter your details of the account that was previously banned from accessing the Google products like YouTube. So just go and log in, enter your password. So here I have two-step verification. They will send me a 6-digit SMS, so I will just paste the code here. Here it is, 637468. Hit enter. Here when I try to log into YouTube, it says you cannot access the account. Here it is, just go and click on the sign in, and when you try to sign in, it says unable to access the Google product. Now what you can do is just go and click on this icon and go to my account, and here you are. Now again just go and click on this icon, and here you can see all the channels of YouTube that you were previously associated with. If the sign is like this on the icon, it means that this account is currently banned and you will not be able to sign in any case. And if the icon is like this, it means that this account is currently accessible, or this is not banned from the YouTube. All other accounts that are like that have the sign like this means they are currently banned and you will not be able to access in any case. Now what we would do with this account, that we will transfer the ownership of this account to another account that we currently have. So this will help us to save this account. So what we would currently do is just go and change the ownership of this account to another account. Google gives an option for that. For that, just go and click on this. Now to proceed, just go and again click on this icon, and here you can see the option of manage account. Just go and click on that. Once you click on that, you will be redirected on this page, and here you can just go and click on manage permissions. Once that is open, you can just go and click on this add icon, and here add the email of your current email that you are currently using with the AdSense and with the YouTube. So you can just go and transfer the ownership of this account. So just go and enter that, and here we have this one email. So just go and select that, and here click on choose a role, and here you can just go and click on owner. Click on this and click on invite, and so it says that it has invited this user. So just go and click on done, and now again log in with your account that you are currently using. So just go and log in with the Gmail, the account that you are currently using with the AdSense and with the YouTube. So you can just go and manage login, and here you enter your current account that I have just entered there for invitation, and enter the password. Once you are logged in, and you can see that Kashif Nazir invited you to own Hasbial. So you can just go and click on that, and here you can click on accept invitation to accept that you will become the owner of the account that was previously banned because of the ban of the whole account. So you can just go and click on the accept. Once you click on that, and you can see that now this is your account. And now you can see that the Hasbial account is now transferred to the account that I'm currently using, and I can manage it without any issue. So by doing so, hope you can recover your accounts with maybe 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 or 15,000 subscribers that was previously banned because of ban of the whole account. So by doing so, hope the problem will be solved. If you still have any issue, you can comment below. I will try to answer that. But before you go, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.